Okay, so this morning, Carrie released an update for the program. A few things changed, right? So the previous tutorial that I uploaded, it is generally still right, but there has been some crucial changes. So I'm remaking it, okay? What is this? I don't got time for that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, if you're watching this, if you're new to this, Carrie has created a new program for instant win and a private server. Right, so this is not a bot, this is not a mod, this is not any of the things that we've seen before, right? So the first thing you wanna do is go down the description below and join join Carrie's Discord, and then once you do that, come to releases and then download whatever app version you're using. Okay, so for this video, I'm using the JP version, right? So after you've downloaded it and you've loaded your account into it, the account you want to use, what you want to do next is go here, down here, like he says, if the program doesn't work, just try this one. But yeah, so just get this one. Right, so this is version 2. Just click on that and then download it into a folder that you name, right? So you want to have everything in one folder. You don't want to just have it free on your desktop. Alright, then when that's downloaded, you want to go here to the necessary files and then download that into also the same folder. Right, so then you want to extract that. You want to extract that first. Okay, there it is. It's extracted. Now you want to open up the program, the exe file. This is gonna pop up, right? It's fine. It's safe, right? It's completely safe. Sometimes you get like a pop-up for your firewall. Just allow it, right? All right. So once that's done, so you launch the program and then you wait for it to start working. So there we go. So you press enter for continue, and then whether you're using JP or global, just click the one that you are using. So I'm using JP, so I'm going to click J. Okay, so just a few things. The things highlighted in red are things that you can use without a USB cable, but the things that are highlighted in green, you need a USB cable for it, and you need to enable debugging in your developer's mode. And you need Wi-Fi for both, right? So there's something with the Wi-Fi that you have to change, and I'll tell you in a second. So once that's popped up, you want to click 0 and then click enter. So then this stuff is going to pop up, right? Because it's trying to access the game. So then when you're done that, you wait for it. So let's see, it's downloaded the global labels. Now it's going to do the same with JP, so you have to repeat the process again. Yeah. All right. All right, there we go. So if you notice here in the folder, things are being added, right? Things are being downloaded. All right. So now you're gonna come back to this screen. So let's say you want to use the private server, right? So you click on 4 and then click enter. See, now it's downloading the databases for both games, and you can see here there's files being added. Alright, so once that's done, you're gonna get a window with like Gogeta on it. This is just for the private server, so it's creating all the cards. So you're gonna get this window, so you just wait for it to be done. Then you're gonna get, so here's the firewall thing that I'm talking about, right? So just allow access, right? Or else it's not gonna work. Alright, so you're gonna get this now with like an IP address here. This is not your public IP address, so don't worry. And then this, so you generally want to use this one, right? So if you're using Android, this is just for Android at the moment, by the way. So I'm using an emulator, so if you want to go here, so you want to scroll down your taskbar, whatever it's called, and you want to hold and click and hold on the Wi-Fi logo. Then again, whatever phone you're using, you should be able to access. You should be able to modify your network. So you want to go for proxy and you want to click on manual. Now you want to copy this thing here, and then click save. All right, so once that's done, you want to go over to your browser and then go into, so this is what changed from last time. Okay, you want to go to KX-DOKKAN.com. Now you're gonna come to this, right? So now you want to get like the get mproxy ca cert.cer. So this is a certificate, so it's gonna download, and now you click on it, and then you enter your PIN if you have one. If you don't have a PIN, it's actually going to ask you to create one. So then you name the certificate, let's say KX Dokkan. You can name it whatever you want. So click OK. So now it's installed. Now if we go into the Dokkan app, also this needs to stay open, so the program needs to stay open. Okay, see, now it's updating here. This means that it's working, and now you see welcome to KX/Dokkan. So here, like so there's been a version update. So the one that I did a tutorial on the other time or yesterday was 0.1, so this is 0.2. I don't think anything else would be working here. Okay, so now if we go in here, see, you should now be able to see all of the cards in the game rainbowed. And even cards that have transformations have their own individual cards. So you see Vegito here, base form LR Vegito, and then you have LR Blue Vegito. And again with Gogeta. So every card has its own transformation as a card as well. So here, like everything is even added, has a sticker effect on it. So these two cards in particular just got their sticker effect, right? So this private server is updated with new cards a bit after they come out, right? So, but you do have to join the server to get this, right? There's no other way to get it. And just as a fair warning, use this at your own risk. No one's responsible if you lose your data or if your account's corrupted. And if anyone is offering to sell you this, do not buy it, right? This is a free program made by Carry. If someone is trying to sell this, do not buy it, okay? This is a fair warning, do not buy it. So yeah, so here we have the best card in the game. We have Tech Ultimate Gohan. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And you guys should go down in the description below and thank Carry for his hard work and appreciate what he's doing. Also, don't be one of those people that like tries to sell this or whatever, right? So you guys have a good day. Peace.